friends, welcome back. This is the second video for the performance dashboard, and if you are watching first time for this video, then I will request to please watch the first part of this video. And I would like to give you the quick recap. We are going to creating this dashboard in Microsoft Excel, and we have created the raw data and this pivot table with these calculated fields. Now we will create the summary sheet. Okay, so I'm adding a worksheet here and I'm changing the name as the summary. Okay, now we will create these tabs, buttons, and this label, performance dashboard, and this background and these cards. Okay, so I'm going to the view. First of all, I'm removing the grid lines and I'm going to the insert tab and I will insert a rectangle, this one. Now I will change the width of this rectangle, width as, let's say I'm taking 15, and now I'll go to the insert. I will insert a bird art. I'm taking this one and here I'm putting as performance dashboard 2017. I can change the font size and take, let's say, as 35, and we can change the text color, any color, whatever you want to take. Say I'm taking this one, and we can give the text effects also. So if you want to put a shadow effect or reflection or any other effects, or we can put fill the gradient fills also. Let's say I'm taking this one. Okay friends, then you can put the company's logo from left side, or you can put on the right side also. Now we will create the buttons. So I'm going and will take the rounded rectangle, this one, and we'll change the width of this. So my first button, I will change the color. Let's say I'm taking this one, edit text, and this will be my summary sheet tab. Okay, now we can change the color as white. We also can change the width of this. Now we will make the 4 copy of this. So we need total 5 buttons. Okay, fine. So now we will go to the format and we will align it as middle and we will distribute it horizontally. Now we'll change the name. So first we'll taking as summary, second we can take as monthly performance, then we can show the weekly performance, and third one we can take as agent wise performance, and for this we can take as supervisor wise performance. Okay, so now I will create these slicers first, and this slicer will be created by using this pivot table. So I'm going to the insert. We can insert a slicer from the insert tab or from the So I will insert a slicer for the month, week, employee name and supervisor name, the 4 slicers. So 4 slicers are available here. I will cut these from here, select all together and cut, and we will paste on summary sheet tab. So we can use month here, supervisor name here, employee name here, and we can use week here. Okay, so we'll format the slicer. First of all, we will change the formatting, the height of this slicer. So I'm taking as 2 for all, and for employee I will take 2 columns. Supervisor is okay, 1 column is good, and for month I will take 2 column, and for week I will take 3 column. Okay friends, so we have created these slicers which will be used to filter the data. Now here we will create these card. Before creating these card, I will change the background color, and we can take shape fill as gradient fill or any other darker color like this. Okay, now for summary I will change the color as you can take this one which is dark red, and shape effect we will change the preset and we'll take preset 5, so that it will indicate that we are at summary sheet tab. Okay, sorry, and now we can remove the headings from here, so it's looking good now. And we also can change the color for the slicers. Let's say for supervisor and month name I'm taking this color, and for the employee name and for the week I'm taking this color. From the format you can change the color from the options and slicer style. Okay, so now we just need to create these card first, so we'll create these card first. So creating these card, I'm going to the insert. I will insert this rectangle. Okay, now I will go to the insert, and this time I will insert this flow chart. Under flow chart we'll take this document flow chart, click here, and we will put it here, and we'll make the same size, and we can fill it as, let's say, this color, or we can take the same color, first blue then orange and green. So we'll take the first as blue color, and for this we will take the lighter version of blue, this one, and we can remove the select both shapes together and shape outline as no outline. We can make the copy of this and paste it here, and now this time we will take the color as orange one and take this one which is orange lighter version, and third one was green, so we'll take a green color, this one, and take this one. Okay, so we have created 3 cards. Now let me make this group and group. We can resize it. I think it is little bit of bigger because we have to Betty chart and this moving man chart. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just make a little bit of smaller. We can select all together 3 groups and arrange as middle and distribute is horizontally. Okay, now we'll take the call handle, sales and AST here. So I'm going to insert, and I will insert a text box here. So first of all, I will take the calls handled, and we can put it here. We'll change the color and the size accordingly, make it bold, and copy and paste, and here we will take the sales then AST. So we'll create the sales, then for this we will take as AST, select all together and align as center. Similarly for this, align center, align center. Okay, now we will make a copy of this and we will put it here as that's a 0. So here we will showcase the number of calls. So and the number of calls we will take from the sheet 2, from the grand total. Okay, so what I will do, I will first of all I'm removing the sum of and just replace this, and for change the name this average login hours. Okay, we also can change the design of this pivot table. From here you can take this design which we have taken here on the second sheet, this one. You also can change the font name, and we can make header as bold. If we will refresh, then the size of the header is getting changed. So what I will do, I'll go to the right click on the pivot table and I'll go to the pivot option, and I will uncheck this auto fit column width on update. Now if I will refresh this, the width of the column will not change. Okay, so here I will take some support. I'll get the calls handle, sales and AST, right, for the cards. Say calls handle, sales and AST. I am putting it here. So what can I do? I can use the VLOOKUP also, VLOOKUP, and then I can use the VLOOKUP for the grand total, then we can use this one, range this one, and then for call handle we'll take the 2, 0, 2, 0. Okay, so we are getting the get VLOOKUP grand total, or you can click here also. So here you will get the card. You can use the get pivot data function, so you will get the total, and for this you can take this one which is the sales total, and third one is the AST total. Okay, so if I will change the value, let's say, then this value will be changed accordingly like this. Okay, I will change this. So now I will connect this by using the equal to, going to the calls handle, press enter. So if I will change the value, it's getting changed, right? So we will format this, I will take as impact font and as 22, and we will change the color also. For this we will take first not save fill, we'll take text fill as blue, the matching of the theme, and then we can fill as gradient fill, and we can take this one which is linear up. Similarly, we will make a copy of this and we'll put it here, and one more copy and we can put it here. And for sales we will connect with the equal to, go to the sheet 2, and sales is this, which is J3, press enter. And for AST we will go to the sheet 2 and we will connect with the AST. Okay, now we can use the format, we click here, we can use the format and click here, format and click on this, align this center, align this center, align this center. And for sales I'll change the color, I'll take the color text fill, I'll take as this is orange theme, so we'll take this, and then we will go to the gradient field and we can take this linear up. And for AST first of all I'll fill this green color, then I'll go to the gradient field, I'll fill it as linear up. So our card is ready, let's check. Yes, all the numbers are working. Okay friends, so now we will create this speedometer, battery chart, and this moving van chart for the summary sheet tab. Okay friends, so we will learn this in my next video, so please watch my next video. Thank you so much for watching.